Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, we will be learning how we can add captions on Filmora application using mobile device. To add captions to your video using Filmora is a great way to enhance your content and make it more accessible. So here is a step-by-step guide to help you add captions in Filmora using mobile device. Open the Filmora application on your mobile phone and then click on the New Project button to start creating a new project. Go ahead and import a video or a photo you would like to use and edit. I'm just gonna pick a video from my device's camera roll. After selecting the video, tap on the Import button at the bottom right corner. Wait for a few seconds for the video to import. Now that you've imported your video on your timeline, the next thing to do is to click on the text option at the bottom of the screen. Click on the CCAI or the captions option at the bottom. Select your current language from the drop-down, select your audio source, and then click on the Add option in blue at the bottom in order to add captions for your selected language. Wait for a few minutes. Now, you will be able to see that you have now added caption on the video that you just uploaded. The caption will be on your desired and selected language. You can now go ahead and resize your caption with the help of your finger, move it on your desired location, and that is how you can easily add captions on Filmora application using mobile device. You can also use the tools at the bottom to customize the appearance of your caption. Choose the style, fonts, animation, and much more using the tools provided at the bottom, and that way you can easily add caption on a video using Filmora. After you're happy with your caption, go ahead and click on the Export button at the top right corner and choose one of the export options. And that's how you can easily add captions on a video using the Filmora app. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again. Thank you for watching.